Hi, so along with the Caesar salad, I am making a Swedish salmon that's going to be baked with just lemon and oil, but it's going to be made with a semi-caviar creamy sauce. So we're making a little decadent dinner for our anniversary. All right, so to get started, we have 2 pounds of salmon. Nice fresh salmon goes into a lined parchment paper. And we're going to take the juice of 1 whole lemon along with salt, pepper, and olive oil and just make a nice mixture. And we're going to rub it onto our salmon. And now we just rub it right on to our salmon. So you want to put on some lemon slices and put it right into the oven, 350 degrees for 20 minutes. So while the salmon is baking, let's turn to Louis and see what he's working on.
I'm making now the dressing. Making the sauce is the cheese grated up, 2 squeezed lemons, and next I'm going to shred up the lettuce. I'm not a pro at this like Rochelle, so I'll show you my technique for shredding lettuce. And it's to use the knife like a cleaver and go back and forth, bunch it, keep chopping, bunch it, and come at it from different angles. Be careful with your fingers, one hand on top, to keep it from getting out of any control.
My next step is going to be making the sauce, and it's being made with sour cream. So we're going to be using 1.5 cups of sour cream, give it that nice creamy flavor. Now, I couldn't get the salmon roe, but this works just as well, and it's a taramo salata, and it works great because it has the caviar and the cream in it. So I have this, which will give it the nice creamy flavor. My pinch of salt, okay, and a little tang of lemon juice. Add it there. Checking in on Louis. All right, Louis, I want you to give a little taste to our dressing to see if this is the creamy caviar dressing. What do you think?
Really good.
Really good. Okay.
Really good.
Nice and creamy, and that's going to be the sauce that's going to go on the side of our fish.
Little salt.
A little more salt?
I think so.
Okay.
We're going to make the sauce. We're going to combine the ingredients, and that will be your cup of strong cheese, anchovies, 2 lemons, not zest, 2 full lemons, Dijon mustard, thank you, Rochelle, 2 tablespoons. Okay, you want to now, in your food processor, pour in the olive oil with, you want to get it till it looks like salad dressing. Rochelle's turn to taste.
Oh, lucky me, I get to taste it with garlic. Yay!
Salt.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Okay.
I'm going to add salt and pepper. But let's try a little more cheese. I have more left on my block, so I could...
You got plenty of cheese. Add more.
Oh, man.
That is so good.
Yeah. No more Dijon.
No, I think it has enough Dijon.
Little.
All right.
Little more Dijon.
It's his flavor, so add a little more.
Now time for the secret ingredient. A Caesar salad requires croutons, and they're usually not so good. If you get it in a restaurant, it's just day-old bread. So my secret ingredient, I discovered this, I don't remember, years ago. Egg everything bagel. Fresh, soft. Can you see that squish? Cut out the entire middle of the bagel. It's great, it's soft. You can eat it with something else if you want, but we don't need it for the recipe. Okay, now I'm going to do this with 2 bagels, but here come the croutons. Just slice it up into crouton sizes, sprinkle them on a baking sheet, drizzle the top with olive oil, mush it around, get the olive oil, put into the oven for probably about 15 minutes, but keep an eye on it. What's going to happen is you want the outside to be crunchy like a noodle and the inside still soft. And it's outstanding croutons for a Caesar salad. Here's the finished meal.
Baked
a
salmon.
beautiful pink baked salmon with a caviar dressing, cream dressing. We have the Caesar salad ready to go with the Caesar dressing, cheese to sprinkle on top, and the secret ingredient are the everything bagels, which have turned out to be perfectly crunchy. And we'll mix that all together soon. I enjoyed this. I hope you did too. 44 years.
Love you.
I love you, baby.
Great cooking in the kitchen with you. So, from Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen, enjoy.
L'chaim.